Hi, welcome to today's vlog. My name is Spacee JaCee. If you're new here, welcome, and if not, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to rewind and go back to a vlog that we actually started a few months ago. So I'm going to insert that clip right now. Okay, so we are at home. The store's called At Home, not at our house. And we are looking for bar stools. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just checking them out. We want something preferably that will match our kitchen, kind of light and bright. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just checking it all out. Let us know in the comments if you see anything that you like as well. So yeah, come along, let's check it all out. Kind of like this one. I think it's fun. Not sure about the, I don't know what these are called. What are they called, Colton?
Studs.
Studs. There we go. That's the right word. I lost it. I kind of like this one. I don't know about fabric though. I'm kind of a messy eater. All right, we're going around. Next aisle. We're kind of limited on places to shop here in Utah right now due to everything going on. So we've been looking online, but we just thought we would check out a few places in person as well. So we're not having much luck, but
Not a whole lot of brightness in here.
yeah, everything's a little dark. Our last house was really dark and we sold our bar stools. The owners wanted them, so this one's bright. Will you pull it out, Colt?
Yeah, of course.
It's a good price. How do I look on it?
Beautiful. You look great.
It's quite comfortable.
Show us your tricks.
My chair tricks.
Whoa.
Sorry.
Careful. Oh, point the toes. Point the
My
toes.
mom would be very mad right now if she saw that without my toes pointed. I don't know. I don't think it's quite right.
I don't like how the back is already
Really
kind of
unstable.
frumpy looking.
It's just got pleats on it. My nails are awful. No judgment. This is a judge-free zone.
All right.
I don't think
Next
that's-
tile.
It's cute though. It's really unstable already.
Yeah.
I want something really solid. I don't want to feel shaky. And it has to have a back. That is for sure. Because I spend a lot of time working on it or like working at our counter. Here's a ghost chair. These are kind of fun. Not for us, but. Okay. Look at these. Those are fun.
Yeah, fun until spaghetti night.
Yeah, they're not bar stools, but oh, not stable.
That one's missing one too.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we know that we don't want a pedestal. I don't know if I already said that. They have some gold right there.
Yeah, I'm not
They're
gonna tell
blue.
Those are terrible.
I think these are super cute, but they don't have a back.
Maybe not for bar stools, but for something
I just
else.
feel like those are gonna scratch our floors too. Okay, last aisle. A lot of these are just dining chairs. A lot of them are just not quite what I was looking for. I wanted something a bit more contemporary, modern. Oh, this is kind of cute. Is it a swivel? Oh, I don't want swivel. I feel like that'll just beat up our countertops. Am I just being too picky? Ooh, look at these.
That's really
I
soft.
feel like that'd be something to clean. These are kind of modern. I don't want brown though. These would be really cute on a farmhouse kitchen. Well, Colt, I think
we might be out
yeah,
of
I
luck.
think we might be out of luck here. So we also went to a few other stores. We didn't really see anything that we liked there as well. There's not a lot of really big furniture stores in Utah, so we started looking online. We found a few others. I'll see if I can put them up on the screen, but the final one that we found was from the company Ballard, and it took a little bit of convincing from Colton. He wasn't fully on board, but when they had a really good sale, I convinced him that these were the ones. So I thought that we would unbox them on camera and so that you guys can see them the first time that we do as well. So let's open them on camera and let's hope that they match our kitchen. I'm really excited. So let's open them.
Ooh, excited. Okay, careful. Ready?
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
We don't even have, it looks like we don't even have to build it.
No. So nice empty box. Ready?
So pretty.
Look at that. Wow, that's actually gonna match our cabinets hardware. Wow. What do you think? I really, really like it.
I like it too. So this is what we went with. I loved that the back had the arched, you can see. I loved the brass. I thought it would go really pretty with our hardware. And then it has the linen, which I was really unsure of because I know that I'm a really messy eater, but I think they're so pretty. We've never spent this much money on bar stools before.
Ready?
Yep.
Christmas. This one.
That's weird. The other one didn't have
So, that's plastic.
that's odd.
Let's take it out. Ah! Whoa!
Oh. Hate their chandelier. This is something that's going bye-bye.
I really, really like them.
I'm glad you like them.
Quite close though.
That's so weird that my other one came with different no plastic. Is that
No.
oh, okay. We've been waiting for these for so long.
Good. Do it again. Alright. What's weird was that one was the clean one too. The other one had some stuff on it as well.
They're kind of like different colors. Like gold and
see it from this side?
Yeah. Bring them around town. A SpongeBob reference.
You can see our other bar stool that we've been using.
We're really fancy here. Oh, I love it.
I think they go really well with our hardware on both the cabinets
Now we're gonna
and
tie in
the appliances.
I have a lint roller over here. Gold.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
It'd be so pretty. Okay, so yesterday we had our cabinet hardware installed and I wanted to give you guys just a small little sneak peek of the kitchen. As you can see, it really matches the counter stools and we are so happy with how it turned out. They look absolutely beautiful. We are so happy. We love that we can just come and open them up. We no longer have to grab the bottoms. It really makes a difference on these. We don't have to like come in here and wiggle them out. We are so happy. They look so good. And now all we have to do is get the backsplash and then get some decorations to warm it up. We love it so much. I don't know how many times I can say that, but I think that's where we are going to end the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and like it. And make sure you subscribe and we will see you guys on next week's video. Bye guys.